everybody, and welcome to another video. And today I will teach you exactly 5 ways, 5 maneiras to say, de dizer I don't care in Portuguese, em português. 5 maneiras de dizer I don't care em português. Muito bem, não esqueça de deixar o seu like nesse vídeo. Don't forget to leave your like on this video and also comment after you watch this. Number 1, e eu com isso. That's something we say. For example, somebody says, you know what? He's coming to talk to you, like they want to scare you, and then you say, e eu com isso. E eu com isso. Or, you know, they didn't invite you. You're like, e eu com isso. I don't care. Number 2, não tô nem aí. Now, remember, this is sort of like rude. It's not something you're gonna say in a way that this is that you really don't care. Like, I don't give a shit, basically. Although we have one for that. But, não tô nem aí. Não tô nem aí. That means I'm not even there, basically. I'm saying like, I don't care. I'm not even there for this situation, you know? I'll be basically the literal translation. Não tô nem aí. So, they say, well, you cannot go there. And you go like, não tô nem aí. It's my right. I will go. Or I'm going there. Number 3, eu não me importo. That would be the most common one, to really say, I don't care. Now, it all depends on the situation. If you're angry, you're gonna say, eu não me importo. Or if you're just saying like, somebody says, wow, he kind of like talk about you behind your back, and then you say, eu não me importo. Or oh, you lost so much money, and you say, eu não me importo com isso. I don't care about that, or with that, literally translating. Então, eu não me importo. Good. And then, this would be the most common one, so you want to stick to this one maybe, and then once you start to get used to the way things should be used in Brazil, you can use these other ones here. Number 4, grande coisa. That would be like, for example, somebody says to you, look, I just got a new car, and you're like, wow, big thing. Basically, you say like, grande coisa. This could also be more offensive if you say grandes or grande merda. That merda means shit. So that would be like, who cares? Big shit, huh? Wow. And then grandes, sometimes people say grandes coisas or grandes coisa. This isn't grammatically correct, but that's how people speak, you know? Grande coisa, basically, I would say grande coisa, but you can hear some variations of this. So I say grande coisa. Oh, did you see your neighbor just got a new apartment or something? You're like, grande coisa, who cares? Big thing. Number 5, não me interessa. So basically, when somebody starts talking to you about something, you just say that doesn't interests me. So you say, não me interessa. Oh, he's not gonna let you in. You're saying, não me interessa, I'm going anyway. Or, listen man, I didn't do this, you know, it wasn't on purpose, whatever. And you're like, não me interessa, I don't care, you know, you're gonna have to pay for my car, something like that. So let's review it before my battery just goes out. It's blinking there on the camera. So, repeating, e eu com isso. E eu com isso. Não tô nem aí. Não tô nem aí. Eu não me importo. Remember, this is the most common one. Common and, you know, it's not going to be offensive or anything like that. Eu não me importo. Or just não me importo. Grande coisa. This isn't offensive as well. You can just say grande coisa. Basically, you're saying, like I explained before, big thing, who cares? Não me interessa. Não me interessa. Alright, I hope you have enjoyed this video. The battery's still alive. And please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Like this video. Share this video with other people that might want to learn Portuguese. Leave your comment, please. Let me know what you would like to learn. And I can try to answer your comment and also make a video specifically for you. And I'll say your name on the video. If I like your suggestion. Alright, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye-bye.